Hello friend, how are you today? Wow, today we will playing new toys. Okay, today Uncle will review Tamed Animal. This is Tamed Animal. Tamed Animal is not wild animal. Wild animal is in the forest, in the savannah, and in the outside habitat, in the original habitat. And the farming animal or tamed animal is living in the farm of a farmer. Wow, this is the animal for farmer. Wow. Okay, let's explain one by one. This is mow or cow, milk cow. Wow, or Frisian cow. This name is kind of Frisian cow. Wow, very cute. And this one is donkey. This is small horse, and this one is biggest horse. Wow, this is biggest horse. And the black horse or small horse. And this one is donkey. Donkey like a horse, but he is not a horse. He is donkey. The next is, this is camel. Camel usually live in the Middle East, in the Africa and China, also USA. Wow, this is camel or unta. Wow, what is that? This is a bull. This is bull. Wow, this is bull. And the orange one is buffalo. Wow, and the black is also buffalo. Wow, we have two buffalo in here. This is camel. Wow, camel usually in the Middle East for transportation in the sands. Wow, this one is pig. Pig show. This is pig or baby. Yeah, this is baby or pig. And this one is God. Wow, God also have a horn in the above of head. Wow, this is God. Wow, this is pig. And this one is biri-biri or domba. In the English, we call it sheep. Wow, this is sheep, like sound the sheep. Wow. And this one is Orient cat or orange cat. Wow, this is orange cat. The last one is Arnab or rabbit or kelinci. In the Indonesia, we call kelinci. In Malaysia, we call rabbit. Oh no, in Malaysia we call Arnab. And English we call it, what is that? In English we call it rabbit. Okay. Okay friend, we already review and showing to you one by one the new collection of tamed animal or farmer animal. Wow. This is farm friends. Wow. Okay friend, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I hope you enjoy and love you all. Bye bye.